Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. Today we're going to talk about reviews. More importantly, we're here to celebrate our success on getting reviews and thanking you for leaving reviews. We just went over 100 reviews through our Google account. We still maintain a 4.999 rating with Google, as well as our other third-party sites like Facebook and Yelp. So really thank you for leaving your reviews, and if you have finished a project out with us, feel free to jump on through any one of the platforms and leave us a review, and we'll get back to you as well. And thank you very much, and that there is your foundation repair tip of the day.